Anaphora Resolution. These notes are taken from Chapter 14 of the first edition of the Oxford Handbook of Computational Linguistics, edited by Professor Ruslan Mitkoff. Anaphora and co-reference. Anaphora are the linguistic phenomenon of pointing back to a previously mentioned item in the text. The pointing back word or phrase is called an anaphor, and the entity to which it refers, or for which it stands, is its antecedent. If an anaphor refers to an antecedent, and they both have the same referent in the real world, they are termed co-referential. Therefore, co-reference is the act of referring to the same referent in the real world. For example, the Queen is not here yet, but she is expected to arrive in the next half an hour. What are the anaphor, antecedent, and the referent? The anaphor is she. The referent is a specific queen in the real world, while the antecedent is the queen as a linguistic form. A co-referential chain. A specific anaphor and more than one of the preceding or following noun phrases may be co-referential, thus forming a co-referential chain of discourse entities which have the same referent. For example, Sophia Loren says she will always be grateful to Bono. The actress revealed that the U2 singer helped her calm down during a thunderstorm while travelling in a plane. Sophia Loren, she, the actress, and her are co-referential. Co-reference partitions discourse into equivalence classes of co-referential chains. One chain is Sophia Loren, she, the actress, and her. Another is Bono and the U2 singer. And we have two singletons, a thunderstorm and a plane.